What's up, y'all? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage on a stormy Thursday afternoon. Yeah, we've got tornado warnings and hail. Had dime-sized hail just a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes ago, maybe a few hours ago. I've done just a little bit of freeway footage on the Audi, but thought I'd do a little city driving. About 50% throttle. Yeah, man, those skies are ominous, man. It is pitch black behind me. It is 3:30 in the afternoon and it is dark. Ooh, it's dark. Hope everybody's doing all right. Appreciate you tuning in and watching. This will just be a fairly short video. Didn't do any 0 to 30, 0 to 60, popping around town, driving, so thought I'd do that now. We'll drop her down in sport mode. Alright, we got us a yellow light. Let's feel this Quattro dig in. Quattro dig in. One day. Oh, here comes the rain. Yes, I need washer fluid. That was about 3/4 throttle. Try not to hammer it too hard. Main reason being, for some reason, I feel like this car could be fragile. I feel like I'm like on borrowed time. It's been a really good car so far. Hasn't given me any trouble at all. But it's using a little bit of oil. Not dripping or leaking oil like I thought at first it may be. It's actually not leaking a drop of oil anywhere. It is bone dry, but it is using some oil. I've had to add a pint to it 2 times now. I like that bumper sticker on that. Well, you can't see it on the Honda Element in front of me. First of all, their license plate says Jack Jack, but they have a sticker in the window that says, "I used to be cool." Yeah, me too. Oh, we got a red light out up here at a major intersection. Fantastic. That was a touch of a cluster. Yeah, but she gets about pretty good. The little 3.2 V6 just sings. Boy, she is so smooth. I think it's 255 horsepower. I believe that's what it is. Torque somewhere around the same. But we got 187,000 miles on her, so maybe she's making 225. Who knows? But yeah, engine's using a little bit of oil. I'm not getting any smoke or anything like that. It's just your typical Audi, BMW bullshit, just oil consumption. I've never had a Mercedes do it, but they may do it too. I don't know. But what's nice about this car, I have not seen it because I check the oil so frequently, but there is a yellow warning light that will come on that says oil is getting low, or it just says add 1 quart at next stop, or add oil at next service. Yeah, it's not like Danger Will Robinson kind of shit. It's just giving you a friendly reminder, hey, you're getting a little bit of oil, getting a little bit low on oil, just top off when you can. And then there's a red warning after the yellow. So that is nice if I do any highway travel, because that seems where it seems to chew up the most oil is freeway. So anyway, but it's not awful. It's not to the point to where, you know, I want to get rid of the car or anything. This thing is such a joy to drive. I just love driving this car, man. So smooth. That's our Alatoona Lake. It's just so smooth and quiet, and, you know, it's just a great car. The navigation in this little iDrive type, or whatever the hell you want to call that, BMW started the shit a few years back, several years back. That gets a little, you know, frustrating to use because it's, you know, tied into the radio and the, you know, AC and all that's up there. A little complex. Took me a little while to learn and still remember some of the steps, but it's working out pretty good. I've ordered let's see, what have I ordered for the car? Okay, the coolant tank, expansion tank is making a little bit of a hissing sound, and it's got a crack in it. Whenever I open the lid to release any pressure or whatever, it pushes coolant through a crack in the bottom of it. So it has a slight coolant leak. So I've ordered an expansion tank, and it's funny, I just put an expansion tank last weekend on my grandmother's 2003 Audi A6. Hers was badly leaking. I mean, it was a bad leak, but this one's very minor, so it should be coming in the mail just any day. Also ordered some new center caps for the wheels, the little Audi logo center caps. The ones I have on here, the paint has all just deteriorated, chipped away. So I ordered some of those, and I ordered a new rear wiper motor. My rear wiper does not work. Let's see if I can get it. Sometimes it'll do like a partial wipe. Nah, it won't even do nothing. So yeah, I've got a bum motor back there. So ordered a motor. It wasn't too expensive. It was like 45 bucks, 50 bucks, something like that. So I got a few parts coming, and when I install them, I'll just do little tutorial videos or whatever, showing you guys. Hope y'all are having a great week and everyone's doing okay and staying healthy. And y'all have a great day. Like, subscribe, comment. I read all comments and try to respond to everybody that comments. So throw a comment down there. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace. Exit ramp onto I-75. Uphill, no doubt. To the floor. Yeah, I know. Washer fluid. Man, she's such a smooth engine. Woo. Now I'm running up everybody's ass.